May I now request Dr. Pratap MS, Head of the Department of Conservative and Endodontics, to do the introduction. Over to you, sir.
Respected Dean, Vice Deans, Guest of Honor, senior colleagues, and my dear students. So, as you know, this is an introductory orientation program for the PGs. The first and foremost thought what I would like to share to a PG who has joined now would be like before whether no matter whichever branch you have joined in, first and foremost thing that you have to do in your life is always be sincere to yourself. The being sincere to yourself means that you have to make use of your time well. So that is like you are also making your parent happy because they are spending a lot of money on you. So you should be always thinking about it. The best way I was telling my first year is to divide the number of hours that you are spending in the college with the money that you have paid, because nowadays that is the biggest problem everybody is coming across, isn't it? Financially, all have going into some kind of tension all are facing. So please keep this in mind before. And remember, PG is not a degree; it is a training program wherein you are modified yourself. You come in, join the first year as one person, and you go out as a different person. That means by the time when you leave out, your decorum, the way you live, the way you behave, the way you carry yourself, the attitude that you have, everything should have changed by that time. So that is when you will be called a real professional. So just after that note, let me go into my department. In fact, it's our department. So Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, probably the most sorted out now because it is the department which deals with the entire restoration. And we can see those faces smiling there. These are the pillars of the department. We write from the senior most Hari sir, then Vidyadhar sir, and me and Nitin. We have a plethora of staff here. So what is this that we do here is all known to you, but still, just to tell, we don't fill, we believe in restoring the tooth, bringing back the contour, the contact, and finally making it a functional tooth for any patient. So the end beneficiary is what we are looking is always the patient. Then endodontics, definitely it is now the most sorted out because we need to, everyone is into saving tooth. So we have gone one step ahead, and I'll show you cases later how to save the worst of the tooth as well. This is a list wherein I'll be introducing one by one, but I don't know if there is enough time to introduce the entire staff. But then senior most is Dr. Hari sir. Then we have Vidyadhar sir. Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'm audible, right? Okay. No, I just got a comment telling that I'm not audible. Is it? Am I audible now?
No, you
Okay.
were audible,
Okay.
sir. There was a faint
Okay.
disturbance in the background. That's all.
Okay. That is because I'm in the HOD room
Oh,
because our seminar room the connection is not that great. Okay.
okay.
Let's continue with that. Hari sir, senior most, and then we have Vidyadhar sir. And the best part is we have different people. That is, see, as a PG guide, we all are trained, all these teachers are trained in different uh, established institutions plus very good teachers. So that is what we have, a different variety. We have people from various colleges, those who have passed out. We have from pioneer institutions like AB Shetty Memorial College who have passed out. We have got people from SDM Dental College, and then we have our own students, and we have right from the reader onwards downwards, all are our former students. Those who were the best of the students as well. So going ahead with the MDS curriculum, I won't take much of the time because this is already distributed to you. Just to remind you that you will have to present all these things. That is first MDS, you are expected to present 5 seminars and journal clubs, whatever is submit. This is all what we have already given to you, but this is all in accordance with the apex body norms as well for you to finish your post-graduation. So the time, everything ultimately is decided by the governing body as well. That is, the university will give you the correct times and all. And then we have PhD. We had 2 students who are enrolled and completed, and 2 ongoing as well. Then this is the teaching methodology that we follow: seminars, journal clubs, and then we have case discussions, group discussions, and special lectures by distinct adjunct faculties. We have those who come and then give you lectures, they train you. Then we have live demonstration as well. Then we have, finally, after each everything, we do the assessment, we give you the feedback, we also collect the feedback from you people, and finally that's how we deliver the result. Just to brief you how our department functions, as first in BS, we have this alternative days of seminars and discussions going on. Then we have weekly journal clubs, and the first year, second year, and third year PGs will be posted in OP, so that you will get to learn from your seniors as well how to manage the OP well. And special cases can be picked up by one of you when you are posted there, and you should take interest. I expect all of you to take interest and then come back to us and then work with such cases. This is what the projection of our results for past 5 years. So almost is 90% above, and we can call it kind of 100% results we have. This is our infrastructure area we have. These are the special equipments that we procure. We have procured in our department. Operative microscope, we have Carl Zeiss microscope, which is operational and very much functional. And PGs are in rotation, trained weekly once on that. They have to undergo definite training on that. Then we have RVG units, which is digital radiography. We have 2 of that kind. Then we have soft tissue lasers, wherein the PGs are allowed to work on kind of gingival crown lengthening procedures and things like that. And then Caries Pro for its advanced diagnostic tool, which can be used. It's a laser-based one. And then few of them which are like mandatory, which we have to have. But then we have the best of them too. Those are the Smart and the sonic handpiece instruments and apex locators, Demorita ones we have. Then we have the ultrasonic enhancement tips. Then we have the Calamus, that is our thermoplasticized gutta percha filling materials. That is a recent, we even have the latest models in that. Then we have the Endovac, which is a negative pressure system, which is one among the recent advances in endodontics. Then we have all automatic shade selection equipment, Vita Shade, which is we can select shades automatically. All these facilities, electrocautery, bleaching unit, everything is there in the department. Then this is about the chairs in general. What we have, that's that you will be, as far as first years is concerned, we have mannequins specially designed for you, which is on top on the 4th floor. Then preclinical lab. Then we have the undergraduate section, postgraduate section, as we see in the picture, sterilization section and all shown. All this is our department. Probably you would have already seen because you have already come to the department and you've started working. We have a casting lab attached to our that's a preclinical lab. Next to that, we have a casting lab exclusively attached to that with all the state-of-the-art equipments. These are PGs working on in the mannequins, and then we have all this postgraduate clinical section wherein they be working on all kind of equipments. They are also provided with loops and other magnifying instruments as well. This is the patient data table that have passed. You would have noticed that dip in 2020. Probably you know the reason about that also, but we used to, once upon a time, we used to handle, we have even handled cases up to 80,000 per annum. So it's this is something that we can boast about our department, because once patient starts flowing, you can see the difference as well. Then these are our department library. What all we have in our department library, like any other departments. Even we also keep all the stock of all these things, and we have online 23 and print journals as well. Then publications, all accepted, published one. The recent the complete publication list is there, which is updated, so you can just have a look at it. And this is the citation index that we have. Number of citations 142, and H index is 18. Awards, whatever achievement our PGs have achieved in past, just to boost your morale. You see, I thought I'll just project all of them. Most of the PGs those who passed out, recently. I have not listed the old ones. This is just one batch before. They have see the number of awards they have won and come. So these are all the encouraging programs that we have in our department for you. Then Hari sir, our senior most staff, had contributed to the textbook. Then these are the CD programs which we regularly organize. So we had 6 for past 3 to 4 years, and then we have guest lectures also organized. Last year 2 we had. Then we have organized all these programs with along with we have this interdisciplinary also, that is there are programs with Prosto and Perio combined, that is which is very interesting for a lot of the PGs. They have given good feedback about these programs. These were glimpses of those programs that we conducted, and then educational programs that we also conduct and we attend. These are all the list of that, conference, workshops and things. Then we have this collaboration with inter-universities, University of North Carolina, where students come and get, they get trained. I mean, they get to see things here happening. Then these are special cases which are done here, surgical cases. We also have a recent tie-up with a memorandum of MOU is signed between one Brazil university for a study which is going to be undertaken here. So let me take you to certain cases that we have done or specially managed in our, which you will also will be allowed to do in future. That is microabrasion. These are all units that we have in the department. We have these equipments. So pre-op and post-op pictures. We are also training you in periapical surgeries. Extensive ones will take guidance from oral surgery as well. So this is a full mouth rehabilitation case which was recently managed in the department with injection molding technique, where you can see the entire full mouth was rehabilitated and how beautiful the smile is regained. And these are all special cases with how we do the thermoplasticized gutta-percha filling and how we get the lateral fills and things like that. Under microscope, how we get the best of the vision, and then we have the latest materials as well. This is a case managed using Biodentin, a retreatment case, how well it was managed, and later now it's the tooth was salvaged. So just to tell you the best practices that we have is we had the past five years probably we would have treated 1.5 crore worth. That's the amount that we spend on patients. This much of patients were treated, and this is before it was free of cost. Of course, we have started charging of late. Then we have advanced courses for interns, which is both in endodontics as well as aesthetic dentistry. Then we have state-of-the-art equipments and materials in the department. And the biggest or the most biggest asset I would tell in the department is completed and most committed faculty. Thank you. With these few words, I have introduced my department to you. All the best. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.